I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and you can see this is the fourth root. Okay, this is the fourth root, and how I create this symbol in Microsoft Word in a Windows computer is discussed in this video. For creating this symbol, it is very a simple method. Just type 221C. So in your keyboard, you must type like this: 221C. So after typing like this 221C, once again you must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see these two keys. This is the Alt key and this is the S key. So one of your fingers should be in this Alt key, and at the same time another should be in this S key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the result will be the fourth root, this one. So remember, just type 221C, and after that press these two keys, Alt key and S, these two keys at the same time for creating a symbol like this. Hope this video helps you. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.